Hi everybody from YouTube. Do you have a phone or a tablet and you don't have no alarm in your phone or your tablet, whatever Android device you have? I'll show you how to find it, what's the best one, and how to use it. Go to Google Play or Play Store, and the best alarm I use, just type in alarm, is this one. Timely alarm clock. So once you download it, look for the app. Right here, this plus sign, you put the time. You press done when it's done. Right here you see what time is it, what the date. This one, I don't know what's that. This is like a timer. I never used this one, but you could change your alarm sound. Like you press this. So you pick your alarm sound. Once you put your alarm up here, and that's all. That's a tutorial. What I like about this app is being it's useful. It's I like this one better than the other ones I use. So I try it out. Thanks for watching. See you later.